take a look at how you can embed SoundCloud player onto Drupal post or page. Okay, so here you can see I have my Drupal instance here, and if we go to the home page, you can see I have one article added to it. Okay, so this is where I wish to add that SoundCloud song, or let's say playlist. Okay, so let's go to SoundCloud. Okay, if you are logged in, then you can have look at some of the playlists that you follow or particular artists that you follow. Okay, so in my case, I am simply going to one artist named Beagle, and this Beagle podcast is listed here. As you can see, this particular episode I wish to embed onto Drupal article or page. Okay, now for embedding, what you can do is click on share button on that particular audio or playlist, and within share you will also find one tab named embed, and as you can see it has one text box saying iframe code. Simply copy that. If you want, you can also change the color for this particular top line. Okay, currently it is this orange and few other colors that you can see. You can also choose by this particular color picker. Also you can paste hex color here. Okay, and also you can change the height, increase or decrease. Okay, there are options such as enable automatic play. Okay, I try to avoid this because it will slow down the loading of that player. Okay, so what you need to do is simply select this, copy. Okay, now go to your Drupal article or page. So if you want to embed it on page, you can do so. Go to that particular page, click on edit. Okay, same with article or post. You can simply click on that article, click on edit. Now in edit you will notice that your current view is set to full HTML. Because we are embedding iframe code, we need to have text format set to full HTML. Okay, if it's set to basic or restricted HTML, it may not show that player on there. Okay, so what you have to do is set it for full HTML and then check for source. Okay, so this editor has this source button where you can simply remove iframe code. Okay, now simply copy and paste. Okay, right, now make sure again text format is set to full HTML. Right, now save this. Now it will reload your article content, and here you can see your particular song or episode of podcast or even playlist is embedded in Drupal article. Okay, if you have any other particular longer playlist with comments, you can also embed that over there, but for comment specific usage you will find that premium users will get that option, so that comments would be visible down below this track. Okay, so if you are using without signing up, or even if you are signed up and free user, then this is the limited functionality that SoundCloud offers you. Okay, you can also add the same to any page or even widget on the right hand side or at the bottom for Drupal. Again, process remains the same. You may have to find a way to add full HTML to that particular widget or that particular place within Drupal and paste that iframe code. Okay, once you do that, you will be able to view that content like this. So you get the idea how to embed SoundCloud on your Drupal article or page.